Hello YouTube, welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today we're gonna be replacing the shock absorbers on a Frigidaire washing machine. So the washing machine was shaking a lot, especially when you put a heavy load, and after visual inspection you can tell, as you see the right side, the shock is completely broken off. I will be using this replacement kit that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. As you see, replacing the shock absorber on the left side is very simple. All you need to do is to remove the pins. You could use a screwdriver socket wrench. It's gonna remove the pin in no time. As you see, installing the new shock is very easy. All you need to do is to place it in its position and insert the pin in its position and make sure it's not sliding out. For the right side, you could remove the drain pump. This way you're gonna have a lot more space to work with. As you see, I had to remove the drain tube to be able to remove the top pin. And guys, very important, do not forget to reinstall the drain tube. And there you go guys, after replacing both shocks and making sure that we reinstalled our drain tube and visual inspection, I started the washing machine and it's working perfectly. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe to fixitsamo and we'll see you next time.